So underneath the glove box, obviously on the passenger side, you'll see the blend door actuator right here. You can use a 5.5 socket and remove the bolts that hold this on. There's one. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it next. There we go. There should be one more on the other side. Yep, right over here. Next, I want to take off these bolts over here that hold on this bracket, also 5.5 millimeter in size. There's one more bolt up at the top here. Let's remove that one as well. Okay, this whole thing comes off. Pull it straight out. Now if you had your new actuator, you would take it, put it back, but you have to line up this slot here with this lever here. So the way to do that, the easiest, is, unless it already comes in that position, is to actually put this back. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Now, if I flip it over so you can see what is actually happening. So, with the key in the ignition, I'm going to turn this knob, and you can see the motor spun. It turned that little lever, so we can turn the key off now. So now you can see it's a lot closer to being lined up, and there we go. That just went on, and all you have to do now is line up the mounting holes. It's not the easiest thing to do. You have to hold it and start the screw in at the same time, but once it's started, you should be able to let go. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this one up a little bit. That way it can hold it better. All right, that one's snug. Let's start in the other ones. There's one at the bottom here as well. That's snug. And then there were two that were holding this actuator onto this bracket, which I guess you don't really have to take out, but sometimes it gives it a little bit more room and more movement. Okay, well, it's already plugged in, so at this point, should be all set.